Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'll be talking about the best app that you can download for audiobooks. Now, the app is Audible and it is hands down one of the best apps when it comes to listening to audiobooks on your wrist. Or if you want to connect to Bluetooth headphones, you can do that too. Let's go ahead and take a look at this app. So this is the Audible app, and when you open it, you can see your books in your library. So there is that, and then you can go in Manage Library, and from here you can go to your recent titles or all the titles, or you can filter your library by downloaded, and you can also refresh your library. Now, if you go back, you'll see all the books in your library. I've got 3-4 books here. Now, the best part here is that you can download these books on the watch. So if I tap on this icon here, it will start downloading the book. So here you can see that the book is 140 MBs in size and it is downloading on the watch. And once it's downloaded, it will show up like this. Now, if you go in your manage library and keep going down, you will see the books that have been downloaded, and from here you can delete your books as well. Moving on, if you swipe to the left, you get to the playback controls. Now here you can play pause, you can go forward 30 seconds, go back 30 seconds. At the top you will see the chapter name and the duration left in the chapter, and then you'll see that the book is downloaded, and from here you can control the volume. Now, if you tap on the play button, it will prompt you to connect a Bluetooth device. So you can connect your Bluetooth headphones, or you can connect your Bluetooth earbuds or whatever. But there is a way where you can also listen through the watch, and I'll show you that later in this video. Now, if you swipe up, you can add bookmarks from here. You can set up the timer, and then you can go in table of contents as well and jump between chapters very quickly. And then finally, we have some more settings here. So if you go in settings, you can change the speed settings here. You can show the time remaining for the chapter or the full title. And then you can change skip by seconds or chapters as well. So if you don't want to skip by 30 seconds, you can set it up to skip by chapter. And then finally, you can also change the skip interval from here, the back interval and the forward interval. So there is some robust settings available to you in the Audible app on the Wear OS platform, which is absolutely fantastic. There are very few apps out there that gives you this much settings and controls in the Wear OS app, or are so well made for the Wear OS platform. Now, if you go in chapters and you tap on any chapter, you can now listen to that chapter through the watch's speaker, which is kind of weird because if you start playback, it will ask you to connect Bluetooth headphones, then there's no way around it. But if you switch chapters, you can start listening through the watch's speaker. So now it's telling me to connect a Bluetooth headphone, but if I again jump to a new chapter, it will start playing through the watch speaker. And then finally, the last thing I want to mention here is that if you are actively listening to an audiobook and you go back, you will see this now bar for the Audible app, and you'll know that it is actually running in the background, and you can quickly go back in the app by tapping on it, and it takes you back straight to the playback controls. So that's the Audible app for Wear OS platform and Galaxy Watch Classic. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.